early bird special, and you guys are in for a treat. Let's give them up!
Hi everybody, we are the early bird special, but tonight we are kids. So to get us started, we need to hear your suggestion for what is something kids care about.
Candy.
Candy, thank you, candy.
I liked candy so much as a kid that when I got into advertising as an adult, I ran the Lifesavers and the Trident and gum accounts. Both confections.
I liked candy so much as a kid. I used to steal it and then I'd sell it. I'd give it to people for answers on tests. Do we have the same family? We used to steal candy. I went to school with a girl named Candy and she was a slut.
I remember going down the street to a penny candy store, and they had all the different types of candy, and my favorite was ones with the little dots on the paper, and then the lipsticks, the candy lipsticks.
At Halloween, my little sisters would go all around the neighborhood collecting candy. They'd leave it at home and go out and do something. While they were gone, I would take my favorites out of their bag.
When we were kids, we would go to the candy store and get little cigarettes that tasted kind of like winter green mint. But in real life, after my parents had parties, my sister next to me in age, and next morning after a party, I would go around eating the match heads because they were very salty. And my sister would finish off with the drinks that were left over. Sounds funny.
We are kids. Jeremy, I'm not sure this is such a good idea. Running away and joining the circus like this.
But it's the only way that we can eat popcorn and hot dogs and play with the animals and travel.
Oh, but still, it's a lot of work. Look.
Yeah, but no matter what we do, see the world, we can go to the Navy and have people ordering us around all day. Good grief, that's not fun.
The ringleader is a monster, though. They're very mean to us.
Well, yeah, that whole elephant incident didn't really feel very well.
No, it didn't. And all the food is like junk food. It's cotton candy. It's caramel corn and.
I love that stuff.
You do?
Absolutely.
Maybe we could do something about that. Like we could sell it in the stands for extra money.
Yes, absolutely. As a matter of fact, I know. Hey, get your popcorn peanuts here. Get your popcorn peanuts.
We can't move around too much because we're shackled up with these chains.
Oh, Bubbles, I found a cigarette in the parking lot. Let's smoke it. All right. I know you keep a lighter in your pocket just in case.
Later in my pocket.
Bubbles, this is a tragedy.
Maybe it's just the wind. You hold it.
This was going to be my first.
Oh, I can tell you about it. You go, and then this stuff goes down your throat, and then you go, and it's very grown up.
Oh, it's so sensual.
I never thought about it quite that way, but
I guess we'll just have to eat it because we can't hide it.
Okay.
Last night, I got up because I wanted to run downstairs and get some candy, right? Yeah, it was late. I just put something, sat down some eat. I went past Mom and Dad. And you know what I saw?
What did you see?
I thought I saw a fireman in the room.
A fireman?
Yeah.
Like,
And because I heard all these weird noises and stuff, and I opened up the door and said, should I tell Daddy?
Well, was the fireman carrying a hose?
Not that I noticed. But I continued downstairs and I got my candy, but I'm trying to determine if I should tell Daddy.
Got to fireman and mom in bed. So, that fire alarm, the smoke detector, it's a mess up here.
I don't know if the battery needs to be changed. I'm not sure. If I could just get up on your back.
I'll
then I
get the
could-
ladder, lady. Please, this is not called for. Yeah, you don't need me to do this. You could use any handyman.
Well, not any handyman.
You don't even need Mr. February.
Oh, actually, I think I did. You know, a woman has needs. You know.
Cut back to the kids talking about
And so there I was, eating the candy, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna go back up there. So I approached the door. I heard Mom making noises.
Like what kind of noise? Was it?
Like she was out of breath. I thought, yes! And I thought maybe the fireman was in there because such as a fire, she was doing smoking.
Oh, so maybe she got a hold of the hose?
Yes, but I was on TV, you don't open the door when the fire's on, or when there's a fire inside the room. And so I didn't. But I ran downstairs and I picked up the phone and I was about to dial 911 when Dad walked down the steps. It was the darkest thing. I thought I was hallucinating. Who was in that candy?
I don't know. Maybe it was a real fire.
Has this ever happened to you? You think you're just having another one of those little Swedish gummy things? You know, the ones that are fruit flavored? And all of a sudden you realize, uh-oh, I've made a mistake. Well, when that happens, we have wipe it out. We have people who have used our product, wipe it out, right here with us. Did you by any chance mistakenly have the wrong gummy?
I had the wrong gummy kind of on purpose, and it made me very, very happy for 42 hours.
Is that when you wiped it out?
I wiped it out with Wipeout.
And? Did you take another gummy?
I couldn't because I was so delirious.
Possibly another endorsement.
thanks, Wipeout. I got into Harvard because I was able to do all the tests high and just wipe that smile off my face.
Oh, excellent. There's many uses, but do be aware of the side effects. It could cause higher rent, higher gas prices, acne, loss of hair, knee problems,
Oh, no.
and unexpected pregnancies.
Hillary, Bruce gave a necklace, candy necklace.
My goodness, I would like a bruise of my own.
You can have one, and I'm gonna put on a lipstick I got.
You're gonna share him.
I can't share it, but
There's another bruise I didn't know about.
there's about 5.
You seem to know them all very well.
Candace? Yes. See this lipstick?
Yes.
It's candy, and it goes on all over my mouth.
I get it.
Bruce loves it.
They like
That's
cherry
right.
flavored lips.
Yes.
I think that's a great idea. I'm gonna go to the candy shop and get some cherry flavored lipstick.
And you like that necklace?
Thank you.
We're going to interrupt the program of the Chippy Wings Championships worldwide to bring you a special announcement.
So special.
So special.
So special.
there has been seen a candy monster let loose in McClellan Forest. And we have a man on the scene, and we'll cut to him now.
On the scene now.
Roger.
You wouldn't believe it. It's a hideous looking monster, and we caught, on videotape. Here's, let's cut to the tape now. Oh. Robbed the candy store. And got away with murder at the same time. Oh, it's terrible. Tell you. Oh.
Are we on TV?
Yes. You're on K1W TV3. Say hi to the folks.
Hi, Mom.
Wow. It speaks English.
Hi, Dad.
Why are you ravaging the city like this, monster?
What does that mean?
Eating all the candy and looking horrible and frightening everyone. So, back to you.
Back to the news.
He did it again. Thanks, Roger, for making somebody cry. Now, since we're here, let's go to our sports caster, Ellen.
Good afternoon from Sarasota Fishing Docks. I'm here for the fishing tournament, and we have the 5-year-olds fishing for whales. And here, they're winding in. They're doing a great job. Let's see. Oh, we lost one. You get in the raft. Get in the raft. Who's winning? We're right here. Who's winning? I think the whale is coming in there. Yes, the whale.
Well, we're gonna cut away right now. We have another emergency film coming up. Take it away.
Emergency film?
Yes.
Is it the film? You know the film. The film about
Yes. It is.
the big bear, the three bears.
Goldilocks.
Guys, you're still on the air.
There's a wolf. Goldilocks, bears, and wolves. Oh my. Who are we breaking to again? Sweetheart. Oh, and back, there's weather, and back to the pier, and the docks, and there's the winner. Hey! 5 years old.
With my whale.
Yes, and I'm gonna give you this big trophy.
Thank you. Congratulations. I've been participating in this competition for 3 years now.
That whale's shrinking. It's shrinking, and half of it fell on the ground. Oh my God.
Do I have to give back the trophy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kids, gather around. That's your principal. I have an important announcement to make. Gather, please. We're doing away with the vending machines. It seems that the red dye was found in each and every one of them.
What do you mean right now? What do you mean right now?
Stop mentioning that. That's what I mean by that.
No!
Yeah. And we're-
Even the licorice? Even the licorice?
None of the sweet stuff. We're gonna have
The red hots too? The red hots too?
lots of red. Yeah. Now, what is that granola stuff that your mother brings?
Oh, you're kidding.
That's what we're gonna have.
No, Mr. Sugarbacker, no.
No!
Candy.
You want the candy?
We want candy. We want candy. We want candy.
We need to organize.
No.
We need to
Just
strike.
out of control. You guys are not old enough to organize or have a say. You're under my thumb. I'm the principal.
That's abuse. I'm making a call.
We want
Candy.
We want candy.
We want
Candy. Mr. Sugarbacker, I have a picture of you and Mrs. Murphy, the secretary. I might show your mother.
We want candy.
thought you said you were gonna get those kids out of the cafeteria eating up all the chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is long.
Oh, well, what are they eating?
They're eating the crumbs that the rats left.
Oh, rats.
A lot of rats here. Lot of rats.
Look
Look at them.
It's a terrible thing. We have budget cuts. How are we gonna get these rats out of here?
I don't know, they eat the food though. No janitors. So we're cutting. Oh, now they have babies.
I wonder if we can train them to clean up around.
What a great idea. I think we need to train them.
Yeah.
We can train them.
You know what? We could expand this all over the rest of the school district. Train those rats to work.
That's right, look it. That one's really good. Oh, no. Oh, no. We forgot about that.
It's like a new dance. Did Jimmy ask you? Are you going to the dance?
I'm practicing now, yes. Emily Sue, I am practicing. I so don't want to step on anybody's toes again.
Oh, yeah, don't step on the toes. And if you do, you know, you kind of trip them, right? And
And it's
they-
their fault.
Yeah. And you just say, oh my,
Oh, you poor thing.
yeah, oh, can I give you a hug? Would you like me to lick your cheek? You know, kind of like that. But I got some news.
This is going on in the internet.
Cut to the night of the dance.
Let's get out there. Everybody's
I have this dance.
What about me? I'm the best dancer ever.
That's Candy. She's a slot.